In this video I am going to show you how to find your Wi-Fi MAC address. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up the settings app and there scroll down for a bit and get into general. Now here tap on about and here would be your Wi-Fi address right there. As you see, the last digit is 5904, and if you go back to the settings and get into Wi-Fi and tap on Wi-Fi name, there would be another Wi-Fi address, and it different from the previous because the last symbols is DF35. So the first address is your real Wi-Fi MAC address, and that address is private Wi-Fi address because that option enabled by default, and that's iPhone's feature. Using a private address helps you reduce tracking of your iPhone across different Wi-Fi networks. You can disable that feature, hit on continue to show your real Wi-Fi address instead of private, and also you can enable it again to hide your real Wi-Fi address. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.